And I do believe that we have rotten politics, and I'm not using that as an exaggeration.
Hey everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be having a look at a landmark decision in German courts in Weimar that's declared lockdown unconstitutional and therefore unlawful. Now this is an article that's in the Alliance for Human Research Protection, Advancing Voluntary Informed Consent to Medical Intervention. Now it is only a short article, but it is very, very important information, so I will read it all out for you. A landmark legal decision declared that regional containment policies, including lockdowns, social distancing, prohibitions on gatherings by family or friends, are unconstitutional. The judge called the lockdown a catastrophically wrong political decision with dramatic consequences for almost all areas of people's lives. The judge ruled that the government violated inviolably guaranteed human dignity under basic German law. This momentous affirmative, liberating decisions was handed down by a court of law in Weimar, Germany, the city whose name was adopted by the First German Republic in 1919 to 1933, until it was overturned by the Nazi regime. Hundreds of thousands of German people have demonstrated throughout the summer and fall of 2020. Well done, Germans, for that, by the way. Some protesters compared their struggle to anti-Nazi resistance, which led Germany's Foreign Minister Heiko Maas to bristle. Forensic analysis of official data convinced the court that the epidemic situation that was used to justify the lockdown laws does not exist. The judge ruled that the government lacks sufficient legal grounds to impose the restrictions since there was no epidemic situation of national importance. He declared that the measures were an attack on the foundations of our society. Got to agree with him there, haven't we? Dr. Rainer Fulmich, the lawyer who initiated the first German and American complaints and procedures, stated, "We consider this judgment to be extraordinary and of fundamental importance. It is transferable to all violations of Lurgi measures. It is also transferable to the current renewed containment and all applicable Lurgi regulations because the number of cases are decreasing, as are patients in intensive care units." Exactly the same as what's happening here then. The judge confirms this with an excellent demonstration. The battle over government dictatorial overreach and the assault on the rights and dignity of citizens in a democracy will be won in the courts of law. The decision has been described by German media as politically explosive. Below, Dr. Nicole Delphine, MD, provides an in-depth analysis of the body of evidence that supports this momentous decision. I will link this article in the description, everyone, so you can go and have a look at what she says, but I will continue with this paragraph. She notes that one factor that helps Germany resist the epidemic better than other countries, such as France, is probably due to the early treatment of patients with, are we ready for this? Hydroxychloroquine. Oh yes, you heard that right. The thing that America told the world that was fantasy when Trump said it. Remember, all those months and months and months ago, now we've got an MD saying the same. Antibiotics, vitamins, etc. She concludes that the crisis is purely political with a health pretext. You see what I mean? See why I wanted to bring this to you, everyone? This is absolutely shocking, but expected, wasn't it, everyone? Share this video out. We need every single person to see this so that we can expose this travesty, because this is going on here as well. Germany have actually taken the step to get this rectified. Do you think ours are going to do it without a push? Maybe we need a court case of our own. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe. I would like to know your opinion in the comments. Go and follow me on my alt media as well, everyone. All the links are in the description. You're more than welcome to follow me over there. Stay sane, get this shared out, and I really do mean that. Share it, share it, share it. I'll see you on the next one.